Nnyaa rra ke boammaruri go ntsalo. Re BOAMMARURI o ile o etse bana dinakana bodibeng. O etse bana dinakana bodibeng ka movement on ba o dirile. Ke se ka tsopi gore nyane ba dirile movement e le gore gape go bue. E rile ga o pala ka gore a se pelo e thata ka a bolela. A itlhela a boya ko mapodising gore a ba ta tshoga a tshoga e be ba bona gore ke ngwana bebe ba tshwara thapelo letsatsi le le tlang ke gone ha e tla re ka la bo le lengwe be a nna moruti le mongwe le ba ba busang ba tla ba mo hamadi ya ka ona maitemogala a teng. Nnyaa ke boammaruri ra go ntsao a se ka a le ka go tshosetsa batho gore o ka tswa a bulesiwa ke modimo. Nnyaa rra ga go a nalo a se modimo ga ke dumele le modimo ile ena mo tshogofatsang ke dumela ke maezeke a Muhammad e se modimo. Nnyaa e ntse ke boammaruri gore ke tsotsi ke sala ke buile gore ke tsotsi senko ke kgalema ke re senko le bo le tsamahela ya nong la mme ha le la gape re na le lona gape ga go molato ke la le lona ke Franco le nna ke lela le lona ke tshwana hela le Franco ke lela le lona. Nnyaa ba ga itse a re ska ra tsitswa ke revi ke moruti ala wa tsotsi o ithatela ibialwa le bananyana o ithatela itswala le bananyana a se ka le ka go tsietsa ope ke le ferefere a se ka le ka go tsietsa ope la tsietsega. Nnyaa tswang ho se tsietsegile le tsiedwa ke le Batswana mathata a re le mo gona ona re le mo gona ra tsentswe ke ene a pina mo rading tsa madomkraga a pina thembola bo coming soon ba itagana ka marago ba palama dipikara Batswana e ba tsietse ga e ba hela re le gona re le nte re ha ka ene ya no ra re motho e ka re le ha ka ene ha a bo ga pa re na mola a ja sentle ke gore ga te go ira gore tseisa sedidi gore latla ha bona gore nyamila ka ntsana o tla taugile ka pela tla le phutha le latla le khoba marapu a tsena le khobegile marapu ba monela gore monna o bereki a ne helwa sengwenya ya no ba gaetsu a re itlhaloganye go kopa re itlhaloganye re khone re nne botlhale re ska ra tshosetswa ke ditsotsi tsa baruti ba itirang baruti ba ditsotsi ba ratang jwala ba ratang go ba roganang ba ratang madi ba ratang madi thata ba ratang madi Doctor, you can't even advocate for the industry. The reason why my brothers are suffering like that is because of you. The corrupt system, we don't want that after so many years. That is what we don't want. Last time your concern was I don't know. Right now I'm trying to be formal about it. I don't want to go street about it. I want to go formal about it to make sure everybody understands. For what kind of crook are you trying to blur the vision of the whole system? We don't want the system. You came here claiming to like blur the vision ya ATI, and ATI about just 2 days after about no, that's what I want, this is what you want. When you want money, for now we want change. So that's the difference between you and us. You want money, we want change. So we don't really mix. It's like we like water and oil. Bro, go ahead, just go hard on getting money and leave us alone. Because I think like that you're gonna prosper a lot. Like that, just stick to money getting. Just stick to your money language. We appreciate that. Just leave us alone. Because we really want wealth. We don't want to be rich. You want to be rich. We want to be wealth. That's the difference between us. So get rich, brother. We'll get wealth. So don't stand in our way with your funny with your funny jokes. This is not a joke, bro. This is not a joke. It's real life. If you think this is a joke, I won't say no more. Go ahead and have those parties. This is the industry suffering. Bosa kopa batho ba hectara ba ira dilo tsa bone tse di thata bo zolasko. Real niggas, real people who are considered about real people. Even ATI too. I would advocate for my nigga. I know he's a real nigga. But you alone, you are the one who blared the whole vision. I know it's you. Everybody knows it's you. You're a fake prophet. You always been everything about you is fake, bro. Get the hell out of here with that fakeness. Get the hell out of here. That's some fake. We're suffering out here, bro. If you was a true brother, you could have refused the money. The last time when I heard about your movement was like, now we have a curfew. But because when you were scared, you are saying you are general. What general? What general? General who pissed on his Louis Vuitton drawers at the police station over a few interrogations, and you piss on your Louis Vuitton expensive drawers. Nigga, what? Get the fuck out of here, bro, with that fake shit. Fuck out of here, nigga. This is the real shit. Hey, bro, I might say some things I don't want to say. I think I should hold it right here. What I'm saying is that at least now everybody know you fake. You've been lying. You didn't pay. Everybody, what Coming Suit said is true. What everybody's saying, all your dancers, Bokemfa, Bozolasko, everybody who work with. Why you, bro? Why you? Out of all the people, why you? Why you? Ask yourself, why you? Why is everybody this mental about you? You can't say it's about because you worship Jesus. I love Jesus. Everybody loves Jesus. It's not like you're special about this Jesus thing. It's just you are corrupt and you make moves and you think, bro, get the fuck out of here. You gonna fall. As a matter of fact, you already fell. But thanks to the Lord, so that the vision can be for our kids. I don't want my kids growing up looking up to a hypocrite like you. I don't want that. I want my kids to be wealthy. That rich shit, nigga. Look where Ginimbi went, nigga. That's where you go. I'm not trying to judge you, but read it in your Bible, bro. I hope you read your Bible. But anyway, bro, you disappointed all of us. I long seen this day coming, even way back. But I'm thankful that it has come to pass. Now we are into a new chapter, which is to fight, because we get more soldiers now. Because nobody really worships you, because everybody worships God now. Now we can see the vision clear. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Let's go.